Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for coming. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I appreciate you. Yes, because this video has been long awaited, we're just going to go jump right into it. So yes, from my other video or my other videos, you know, we were house hunting and we finally got this one. We love it and it's our dream home. So this is like from the door, this is what you see, the entryway. We have kind of, it's like a little bit of a spiral stairs. I don't like the chandelier, but okay, we're gonna deal with it. On my left, you can see that this is like a study or an office or whatever. If you want to turn it into a bedroom, you can go ahead and do that. I like the detail on the ceilings. The ceilings are not like high ceilings, but they are really pretty. They have a lot of good detail. So, and I love this builder. This carpet is going to be taken off. At this time, while you're watching this video, it's already taken off. But yeah, this was when we just filmed. We're going to change the carpet on the stairs, and we did already, but it's not on the video. This is our stuff that we brought to the house. This was exactly the day we closed on the house. It's been 2 weeks. That is the laundry room that you just saw. And right here is the mudroom, where when you're getting through the garage, you can just take off your shoes, especially because of the coronavirus right now. We need that room so bad. I love the detail on the sink. I love how modern the tap looks. I just love how modern everything looks. So I love it. I just love the home. And on my right here is the garage. I don't think I went into it. Then you have the stairs, of course, as I said. Then you're going to the living room, and on my left you have the dining. As we speak, this chandelier has been changed, but that is what we had when we bought the house. So, and this is the dining room section. I love it so much, and this is about to be my showroom where I'm gonna just showcase all my decor, or a lot of my decor. And on my right here we have bar area. It's a bar, of course. I mean, just where the guys can hang out, or the girls, whoever wants to drink, or whoever likes drinking. Then you go into the living room and the kitchen. It's a very open concept. I love. You can see that I love the details on the ceilings. I really love them. And the fan, I mean, I just love everything. I love that view. Remember my DIY right there? That is what I did the other day on my channel. If you've not seen that video, please go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave it down below. Yes. So this is pretty much the living room area. I love it so very much, especially the detail. This TV, the sellers left it for us. So yes, the kitchen, oh my god, this is just my favorite spot in the house. I love the countertops. I love this refrigerator which they left for us, and I just love how modern the kitchen looks. You know, I just did not like the the microwave over the cooking stove, which I'm happy we didn't get. And we have 2 pantries. The pantries are not walk-in pantries, so we have 2 little pantries on each side of the kitchen. I love the cooktop. I love the light. I love this detail. I love the metal. I love everything about this kitchen. This kitchen is just my dream kitchen. I love it. I love it so very much. And I was like just trying to play here with the lights and everything. So this is the second pantry in the kitchen. It's very beautiful. It's very spacious. It's bigger than what we had in Maryland, so I love it. This is the breakfast area, the area where we're gonna be using more often, because the dining room is just one of those areas where you don't use as often as you would want to. So we pretty much use the breakfast area now more than anything. So yeah, I love this countertop so much. I love this kitchen. Like, this kitchen was just goals for me. I love it. I love the kitchen so very much. My husband and our realtor are just having their good conversation and they're ignoring me, but I want them to ignore me because I wanted to film this video for you guys. So this is the backyard, the fun part for the kids especially, and for our grilling needs. This is the patio where we're going to be grilling, and that is the playground for the kids. Yeah, they've been enjoying this playground so much already. As I said earlier, we've been 2 weeks in the house and we are loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Every bit of it, we're loving it. Then I'm going back into the house and I'm going to take you guys to the master bedroom right now. Master bedroom is downstairs, unlike Maryland where all the rooms were upstairs. So the master bedroom is downstairs, and at this time we did not like the carpet on the floor, so as we speak the carpet has been changed, but this is what was on the floor when we just got the house. We put vinyl on it, on the floors. It looks like wood, but it's really not wood. Wood is not encouraged here a lot because of the humidity. You can research on that. This vanity right here is goals for me. I love the vanity. I love this section of the house. I love that I have 3 mirrors all to myself, and my husband just has 1 mirror the other way. I have all the 3 mirrors for myself, and this way it's just 1 mirror where hubby uses. He pretty much doesn't use the vanity a lot, so he's fine with it. He's very happy with it. He just wants me to be happy with all the space I have. Yeah, so I have all that space and I'm making use of it already. I love it. And then you go into, that's the shower. The shower is very spacious too. This shower right here, it goes for me too because it's so big. Like 3 people can shower in there at the same time. So if I'm about to take a shower and the kids are on my case, I'm just gonna throw them in and we're gonna take a shower together. And that is the commode area. You don't have to see that. I don't even know why I was showing you that. That's the commode. There's nothing in there. And this is the closet. The closet is very, very big. It's bigger than what we had in our other house. And we love it, and we love it, we love it. This is one side of the closet, and that is the other side of the closet. This side is actually my side, and the other side is hubby's side. We love it because it separates us. I do a lot in the closet. Hubby doesn't do a lot in the closet. And we changed the floors already. This carpet is now vinyl, like more like wood, but it's not wood. If you don't know vinyl, it looks like wood, but it's not wood. So yeah, we have vinyl floors, and that is the whole closet. And the master bedroom, I don't know if I showed it in this video, but the master bedroom leads to the washer. Yep, the washer and dryer room, or the laundry room. And that's the view from the master bedroom. That's what you see. And now I'm gonna take you up to the living room, to the guest room and the kids room upstairs. So when you get to the end of the stairs, this is you see this display cabinet here, where you can display your decor, and this is the game room with some nice detail on the ceiling. And the game room leads to the study, and there is also a display cabinet here for your books. And you can stand over here and look at the study. I don't know why this was made like this, but okay, we love it too. We don't care about it, but we love it. And on my right or my left, whichever way it is, and I'm gonna be going to this one closet here for the guests upstairs, and and bedroom number 1. This bedroom has a toilet in it and a shower in it, and it has a walk-in closet. So I don't know why they made this vanity to have a chair, but we're just gonna make guests so comfortable. But okay, yep. And that's pretty much it for this room. And that's the closet over there. It's a walk-in closet right here. You can see it's a big walk-in closet. So for the guest, you have enough space to do anything you want in this closet, or put all your clothes in this closet. It's beautiful. I love it. And we're going to be going to this is the hallway that leads to the other 2 bedrooms. On my right here, we have the kids' toilet. And this is what it looks like. And we have their commodes, and we have also the shower here. So you can, this is where they're going to be doing all their stuff with. They're going to share this bedroom with my husband's cousin, who's living with us right now, and she's been amazing. I can't thank God enough for sending her to us this time. And this is the other bedroom. In the future, when we have no one staying with us, this bedroom will probably be for one of the kids, and the other bedroom will be for the other kid. This one right here, it's the bedroom that both kids are sharing right now, just because I want to keep them together. And this is their closet. And it's also a walk-in closet. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I've come to the end of the video. There's nothing more to see in the house. And if this is your first time, please subscribe, leave a comment down below, like, share, and come back for more videos, because I'm going to be posting a lot of videos about decorating. Thank you.